So hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can generate PPTs by using whole AI. Okay, you can generate whole PPT by using just writing prompts. Okay, so here you can see an beautiful example of the PPT that I have generated by using AI. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's begin. After coming to your browser, type Gamma AI. Okay, Gamma AI. So come over this website gamma.app and just click over this, and after that you will land over this page. Here you can see that I have recently created a PPT on global warming, so I am generating. So here I am going to generate a new PPT. Okay, so here you get three options. Okay, paste text. Here you have a note about outline about your PPT, then you can paste here, or you want to generate your PPT by prompt, then you just write your prompt here. And if you want to generate your PPT by any URL or file, then you can just drop URL or upload your. So here I am going to generate my PPT using prompt. Okay, so here I am going to type my prompt here. Okay, so I'm going to write here generate PPT on pollution. So here I have written simple prompt to generate PPT on pollution. Okay, so generate outline. So by this it will automatically generate outline, okay, for the PPTs. Okay, so here in first slide it will talk about the global impact of pollution, types of pollutions, okay, major source of pollutions. Okay, if you agree with that, keep it as it is, and if you want to change or edit, you can just edit it at your way. Okay, and if you want to add any another topic, is click on here add card button, and you will get an option to add another slide. Okay, so I'm okay with this, and I am going to choose amount of text, how much text will be in your PPT. Okay, so I am choosing a medium, and source of image you can choose automatic, web images, AI images, illustration. So I just choosing to automatic. Okay, after that click here on continue button. Okay, so after that you will get here pick a theme option. Okay, so pick a theme of your choice. Okay, so here I am going to choose this theme. Okay, after you choosing the theme, click on generate button. Okay, after clicking on generate button, your PPT will start generating. Here you can see that how fast it is, you can see that how professional it is. So here I want to also change this image, so I will click on add an image, and it will just remove this and place another image. Okay, let's wait. Okay, here you can see that it is more accurate image. Okay, that's nice. I think now this PPT is looking very good, so I'm going to click on present and going to see how it is. Okay, so you can see that this is first page, and this is second, and this is third. How cool it is, how professional it is, you can see that. Fourth, fifth, sixth, and last, seventh and eighth. This is last call to action. Whole PPT, just click over these three dots, and here you will get an option to export. Okay, I'm going to click on export, and you can export it as PDF, PowerPoint and PNG. So I'm going to export it as PowerPoint. Okay, after clicking on this button, your PPT will be exported, and here you can see that I can just open it, and here you can see that it is open on PowerPoint, and now here also you can edit each and everything. Okay, so I think this AI tool will help you. So I think this AI tool will help you a lot, and you will also like this. So please make sure like, share and subscribe.